Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at Include Exclude Order line process. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of sales order, mark order line as excluded, impact of excluded order lines, and ability for addition of excluded order lines. For creation of order, we need to log into Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with the sales user. For creation of order, navigate to the menu category. Select the menu category as a sales. Expand the sales menu group and click on orders. With the help of create button, we will create a new order record. On orders create page, you can see the basic and additional section. Here I have entered the data only into a mandatory fields. Now I am going to select here the account and contact details. After adding the account and contact details, navigate to the pricing tab. Select the price list as a standard and select the site. After adding the mandatory and required details on order record, click on Save button. Our order is now created and you can see the pricing, items, invoice details, files, order review tabs appear on the order details page. Now our next step is to create order line record. For that, navigate to the items tab and click on create button to create a new order line record. Here, as you can see, the order line create page is open. Now I am going to select the product category as a ball bearing and the product detail. Here I am adding the angular contact ball bearing product. Now I am going to add the quantity details in pricing section. Here you can add the discount type as percentage and amount, as well as the tax details for this order line. Now I am going to save this order line record with the help of Save button. As you can see here, our order line is created, and now our next step is to exclude this order line record. For that, I am going to click on this exclude button present on the ribbon. Click on yes. Now I am going to add the excluded reason. After adding the excluded reason, click on the Save button to save the changes on order line. Here you can see the order line status is marked as excluded. Now I am going to show you the impact of order line on excluded order line record on sales order template. For that, navigate back to the orders record with the help of this link. Now click on the ellipse button and click on Documents. Here you can see the sales order template, and here you can see the total and net amount for the order line is 0 because of excluded order line. Now our next step is to include the excluded order line. To include the excluded order line, navigate to the Items tab, click on the order line record. Here you can see the order lines detail page. Now I am going to include this order line with the help of Include button. Click on Yes. Here you can see the order line status is marked as new and Exclude button is appear on the top of the ribbon. So in this video we saw the order line creation and order creation process, the exclude order line, impact of excluded order line, and include excluded order line to the order. Thank you.